Okay? You must treat yourself and your husband both. Okay? Because
Doctor,
he can reinfect you.
The next question is, you are against allopathy. So what is your comment?
No. I am not against allopathy. Who said that? My God, I am an allopath. No, I am not against allopathy. You misunderstand everything. I didn't say that. What I said is, allopathy is must for an emergency quick fix. Supposing I fall under the motor car, I can't say I'll do yoga and get my bones. But what I am saying is that is only 2% of the population of the sick people on a given day. 98% of them can do with various other treatments, not allopathy. So I am not against allopathy. No.
So his question is, what is your comment on the fact that allopathy has decreased the death rate, increased the lifespan, and has increased the survival rate of babies, which led to increase in world population drastically in the last century?
Wow. What a beautiful... Where did you learn all this? Where did you learn all that? I will give you a reference. Read it. Write down. You got a reference I will give you. Write down. Is US medicine the best in the world? That is an article.
Memory.
Is US medicine the best in the world? Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Is US medicine the best in the world? The author's name is Barbara Starfield. Barbara Starfield. Okay? And the journal is JAMA, Journal of the American Medical Association. JAMA, J-A-M-A. Year is 2000. Write down. Volume is 284. Page is 483. Please read that. Then you will know it's the other way around. Okay? Then there is one more. Death by medicine. Next article is called Death by Medicine. Death by medicine. Okay? And the first author's name is Gary, G-A-R-Y, Null. It's free on the internet. Go and see. Death by medicine, Gary Null. The modern medicine is the cause of death. Did you know that? No. When doctors went on strike in Israel recently, hardly anybody died. You read the British Medical Journal. Doctor strike in Israel will improve society's health. Okay? You are given some distorted version. Go. Next.
Doctor, the next question is, I'm able to understand something when something is told to me at that time, but then again I forget. Immediately I forget. What do I do for memory?
No, it has nothing to do with memory, ma. It has got to do with your anxiety state. If you think you will forget, you will forget. If you don't think about it, you will not forget. But supposing you keep a key somewhere, you forget it. No, because you are thinking of something else when you're keeping the key. When you're keeping the key, you think of it. I have kept the key on the television set. I have kept the key on the television set. 10 years later you come, your brain will, there's an association area where it says, it's on the television set. Okay? Yenisudu. Manasnal yenisudu.
We know that diabetes is a disciplined discourse. My sugar level is 419. And what is the method to control and to line with motivation? Kindly answer.
I didn't get that.
Diabetes being a constant discourse. Sugar level 419.
Diabetes is not a new disease. It has not come now. But now we doctors give medicines. We doctors give lot of medicines which makes you a diabetic. One of the medicines is called statin, cholesterol lowering drug. People who take statin in 1 year, up to 47% will become diabetics. So there is no epidemic of diabetes. No.
The next question is again on diabetes. Fasting, sugar 134, after food 190. Whether I must take my tablets or any other treatment.
190 is not a bad food. Actually, up to 200 is, according to WHO, normal. So you don't have to take tablet. You take exercise, control your diet, and think of good things in the mind. Do something for others. Your diabetes will disappear. Next. No, you're all making it a personal consultation. Don't do that, please. Something, common.
Is there any book that can suggest what to eat and what not to eat? For diabetic doctors, please suggest, they suggest not to eat rice. Now, wheat is also not suitable. So, what can be eaten? Is there?
The best food is brown rice. The taudu in rice has got a medicine for diabetes called metadicol. Americans sell it for $50. You can get it in taudu. So rice is good, but it is not what you eat that matters, it's how much you eat that matters. Eat less. Don't eat wheat. Next.
So, it is said that India will be the diabetic capital of the world. So, as a health professional, I ask, as a homeopathic doctor, that what can we do? How do we handle these cases?
Madam, this is a big hoax by the diabetic drug selling companies. They have bought over the minds of so many Indian doctors who are told to do what is called surveys. And what you do is you go and frighten somebody. We are doing a survey and he will become a diabetic. So they are creating diabetes. According to the WHO, India is the best country in the next 50 years because diabetes rate will be very low and America will be the highest.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ವೃದ್ಧಾಪ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ತತ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ವೃದ್ಧಾಪ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು.
He wants to know whether he can control old age. ವೃದ್ಧಾಪ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿವಾರಿಸಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೋಗ ಗೀಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಾಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಸಾಯದಿದ್ದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ.
ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಅನುಭವ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಏಜ್ ಈಗ 72. 65 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಅದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಅವರು ಒಪ್ಪಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಂತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರ ತಂತ್ರ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನೀಗ 72 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಏಜ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ತಮಗೆ ಇದರ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಜೀವಿನಿ ನಿರೋಧ್ಯ ಲೇಹ್ಯ ಅಂತ.
Hello, sir. Sir, now I want to know, should we have a general checkup on a regular basis or not? And if we have the general checkup, if diabetes or BP, thyroid are not normal, should we start with the medication or should we not?
Amma, I told you several times, don't have a checkup if you are healthy. If you are not healthy, have a checkup. Then if the doctor tells you to take treatment. But when you are healthy, don't ask for trouble by going for a checkup. If things are not all right, you have to start the drugs. And when you go for a checkup, lot of things will not be all right. Because we don't have a definition of normal. I can't go on that. We have average. So average doesn't mean normal. We use average for normal and frighten people like you.
Okay, if we are not feeling anything improper, we should start.
Correct. Have a nice lifestyle.
The next question is on cancer, doctor. What is the cause of increasing rates of cancer? Can the body heal cancer itself? And after 40, is it necessary to do cancer screening?
Cancer screening is the biggest fraud. Okay? A double Nobel laureate, great scientist, Linus Pauling said, cancer industry is the biggest fraud on the public and their research is all fraud. So you take your own decision.
What is the best treatment for depression?
Happiness, company, and group therapy, behavioral therapy, some work.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಏನು
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು ಓದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, 200 ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಓದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ.
There is a DVD available. Yes. What is the best athletic activity?
Strenuous athletic activity is not good. Strenuous athletic activity is not good. Any ordinary game is okay. What about extreme competitions, like very bad for health? Tennis is okay as a game,
right,
but don't make it a professional competition. Very bad.
Okay. All right.
What do you have to say about multiple sclerosis, autoimmune disease?
Autoimmune disease is your own body cells are killing your own body cells, which means you are hating somebody subconsciously. So try to find out whom you are hating and forget about it and give them love. You will be all right.
Sir,
Internal bowel diseases. Crohn's disease is curable or non-curable, sir? Internal bowel diseases, IBD.
Without the mic, you speak.
Sir, IBD, internal bowel disease. It is a curable or non-curable disease?
Diabetes.
Crohn's, sir. Crohn's. IBD, internal bowel disease. Crohn's disease.
Irritable bowel disease.
Yeah.
It's not a disease at all, it's in the mind.
No, sir.
Your mind is sitting in your gut. So quieten the mind, it will be all right.
Yes, sir. It's internal bowel diseases. IBD, internal bowel disease. The Crohn's disease, ulcerative Crohn's disease.
Internal bowel disease,
Yes, sir.
irritable bowel syndrome.
Internal bowel disease, sir. Internal bowel disease.
I have not heard of that disease so far.
Sir, no, it's a IBD, internal bowel diseases.
Internal ball disease.
Internal boil.
Ball. Internal ball disease, IBD.
It's a Crohn's disease, it's like ulcerative Crohn's diseases.
I don't know.
Doctor, the next question is on liver. How can a sluggish or a fatty liver be corrected?
Exercise. Chandigarh PGI has done extensive work and they have shown daily walking, exercise will make your liver better and the fatty liver changes.
How many liters of water is it good to drink in a day?
God only knows. You drink water when you are thirsty and you eat when you are hungry and see that your urine is not yellow, that's all. Don't drink too much water, it's not good.
After suffering from cancer and going through chemo, should medicine be continued?
No, if the doctor says, discuss with the doctor, but if I were you, I will take just turmeric. Turmeric. Arsina, haladi.
Turmeric. Okay. After, shall I stop the tablets, sir?
No, I don't know. You must ask your doctor.
Doctor.
Please advise on TSH abnormal.
TSH alone abnormal does not mean any disease. Forget about it.
Is Tyrannom is mandatory, sir?
It's not a disease. Why take medicine?
Doctor, what is your opinion on Horlicks Boost energy drinks?
I would avoid it like poison. Milk itself is bad. Desiccated milk is poison.
Can chemo be done away without? Like, if you don't do chemo, is it okay?
There are people who have not done chemo and still are alive. But you must discuss with your doctor.
Energy treatment equipments. That's a book.
How though? You have a lot of equipment. You write to our office, they'll give you. Yeah, we will send you, don't worry. Please. I seek your help. Okay.
Done, sir. I'm suffering from heart enlargement, so please advise on tablets.
Heart enlargement and on the kaile illa. Heart ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಔಷಧ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಏನು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ.
I'm merging two questions. He wants to know about garlic and somebody asked me about onion. So is garlic and onion good to be eaten every day?
ಎಂತದು?
Onion and garlic, is it good?
Very good, very good. Eat it every day. All diseases will go.
Can he eat garlic every day?
Garlic, ginger, onion, all are good. But raw.
Is non-veg food bad? What is your opinion on veg and non-veg? Is non-veg bad to be eaten?
Vegetarian is better. Non-vegetarian is not poison. But if I were you, I would take vegetarian.
Doctor, you mentioned that milk is a white poison. But there is good milk also. That is desi cow milk. Desi cow milk is very good for human body.
Well, yes, he is right. There are two kinds of cows, type A and type B. Type B are very highly antigenic. Type A are okay. They are our cows, small cows, which eat only those leaves and grass. There the antibody titer is low. But I won't call it as good milk, no. Goat's milk is the only milk which is not antigenic.